guys, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video I'm going to be installing the new Depo headlights and also the new front splitter, so enjoy. All these have got to come out. It was covered by that, took that off now. And then I think it's 4 in here, we've got to undo as well. And then obviously I think it's 10 underneath. So we'll undo them now, and the bumper should come off then. So all the top are out now. Took them all out. Didn't take long. Now I gotta do these ones by 52s4. Thing is, I can't lift it up either because I'm on an hill. So I'm gonna have to turn the wheel and try and get at them like that. That's the best I'm going to get it. Unfortunately, untied up right by there. I should be able to get it then, but that's what I got to work with. No mind. My one's on the crack is well enough. Hardly started on it. That's all these 4 bolts are off now. As you can see, I gotta disconnect our fog light. So I do the same now on the other side. Disconnect that, and then I gotta get underneath. And I think it's 10 screws underneath. I gotta undo on a nail, like, that'll be fun. had to take them all out because it just makes it easier. How many is it as well?
8.
There's 8 bolts, so you can see where they are, look. And then there's one right up your hand. Took it all off, it just makes it easier. It just comes off in like that. You pull that up.
You got another one down there?
Another one. God's sake. Take this off and that's it done. So they're all out now, even that one in the back. So just pull it.
Another one up there, right?
Another one. Christy. Where?
There.
Right, they're all off now. It's 11 bolts just to get this bit of crap off. There's another one. Happy days. Just stay on it. So now we disconnect the fog. And then we gotta do the ones underneath them. I think it's about 10 underneath.
Squeeze the two sides. And pull down.
That's the fog now, is it?
That's your front fog.
Right.
Alright? Yeah.
Let's take out some. Same on the other side now. Top are off, sides are off, and we gotta go underneath.
Under here now. There's 2 bolts. 1, 2.
Oh yeah. We do it now and then we gotta go underneath. We took our bolt out now.
8mm bolt.
And now it can come off completely, look, see. What was it? 8? 8mm bolt there was. Do the other side now and then we gotta go underneath and take out the 10 screws. The bumper's off now. Just put that in the garage. Now it's time to tack the headlights. So I think there's 4 on here, one there. Somewhere else, we'll have a good look now. Where?
Oh.
Over there.
Under there. See on the inside there? Nothing good.
Oh yeah. That's 2 in.
And then these 2.
Yeah, 4. Right. Just take his crap off then, is it? Zebra's gotta go up because of the worst weather. Where is it?
In there. Look at that. You see that?
Yeah, that one there. That's got to come out.
And then these 2. 1, 2.
2 in there. It's like, on a laugh. Where is it?
Right underneath there.
You can see there's one last one
Right there.
right there. Once that's out, this light is coming out. I can't leave the screen now.
Yeah.
Oh, you can see better, but another long one. Finally out. That's the old one. That's the right side, and then we get a new one, and then he's under this. What's the difference now between the old and that's the new one? Hell of a difference. Let's go fit them on, is it? The first one's on. Fucking beast. Didn't come with any bulbs though, so I've had to use my old one for now. I'll pick some new ones up tomorrow, like. The second one's going on now, but this is an absolute nightmare. These bolts are so long, it takes away ages to do them up. Because it's so awkward, it just takes a mick like. One's on now, and it's so much better, like. Okay, yeah, going on now, and then we chuck the bumper on. Yeah, because I put my old bulbs in it, but it's much better, like. So before we put the bumper on, we got the splitter to go on as well. I was going to do a separate video, but to be honest, it means it's off. It's going to be easier for me to do it. So there's a piece by us. Covers like that, and then you got the splitter in, which is better. Just goes over the top of it. It should look really nice. Hopefully. You done, Anne? Yeah, if we go in here now and start it. Look, is it? Look at them bad boys. That is smart. In the arse, but that's well worth it. So I'm in the car now, guys. It's been about 2 days now. I've had to put some bulbs in because it didn't come with any bulbs. So I went down Alfred's and I paid to get them done. And they only put 2 in instead of the other 2 because I had to buy 4 bulbs. So they put the easiest ones in, and they said they can't do the other 2 because you gotta take all the bumper off and that. So I took it home, me and my old man done it off camera, and now they're all installed. So now I'm gonna show you what the beast looks like. Ready? 3, 2, 1. So guys, that's it for this video. Hope you've enjoyed. Please like, share and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you all on the next one.